In this video, we will take you on a tour of the organic lab. If you forget, you can always ask your instructor where things are. In the front of the room, you'll see a big machine that makes ice. You can use the scoops provided to get any ice you need and use any of the containers on top of the ice machine to get ice for your experiments. When you're done, make sure to put the scoop back on top and close the ice machine. At the front of the room, we also have a designated sink for deionized water. This is the only sink in the lab that has deionized water, so make sure you only get deionized water from this spot. To the left of the sink is a closet that contains your Digimelts. You can obtain a Digimelt apparatus from here. Make sure that you also obtain a power cord that's neatly tied up. Always retie your power cords and put the rubber band on them before replacing them in this closet. In this closet, you'll also see the aluminum heating blocks as well as the collars for heating your reactions. If you need paper towels, they are also located on the top shelf of this closet. As you go further into the lab past the fume hood, there's a closet that contains a multitude of useful items. You have thermometers, TLC plates, blue and red litmus paper, drying tubes, a variety of different kinds of stoppers, boiling sticks, capillaries for the Digimelt, spatulas, micro spoons, inserts for the Hirsch funnels, thermometer rings for distillation, pipette bulbs, and filter paper. You will also find parafilm, glass stoppers, thermometer adapters for distillation, rubber bands, and all kinds of glass pipettes. Below, there are all kinds of different gloves in every size, and chromatography jars with filter paper. Behind the gloves, you will also find watch glasses to cover the chromatography jars. And below that, we have two sizes of heating mantles as well as variacs to regulate them. There are also wood blocks and clean vials. Make sure that if you take a vial, you clean it before you return it. So this closet is full of all kinds of goodies for your experiments. Next to this closet, we have some shelves that contain hot plates and stir plates. As with the Digimelts, we keep the cords separate, tied up nicely. If you use a stir plate, make sure that you tie up the cord, rubber band it before you put it back. Below these shelves, we have balances. Make sure you always keep the balance area clean. At the back of the lab, we have the IRs and the GCs as well as the Rotovap. In the corner of the lab, we have a fire blanket, a safety shower, an eye wash station, and a fire extinguisher.